Hello there, welcome to Vietsound channel. Today we're going to talk about the T sound in Vietnamese. So are you ready? Let's get started. The T sound always occurs at the beginning of the word, like in the word thu. Now let's see how to pronounce the T sound. First, tip of your tongue touches the gum ridge to stop the airflow, then pull the tongue back to release it. Your tongue must be tense. Now let's talk about the air sprint. It's very important for the T sound. Stop the airflow with the tip of your tongue, then release it over the tongue with audible friction. Open your mouth slightly. Keep the lips relaxed. The last thing you have to remember about the T sound that it is a voiceless sound, so you don't have to vibrate the vocal cords. Now let's try to say the sound. T, T, T. Thu. Let's practice saying some words with the T sound. I'm going to say the word first, then you will have a few seconds to copy exactly how I pronounce the word. The first word is tha, thi, thu, thơ, thơm, thôn, thân, thủng, thông, tham, thớt, thảm, thắng, thiêu, thưởng, thập thò, thân thiện, thân thương, thảm thiết, tham thì thâm, thất thường, thảnh thơi, thật thà. Now let's try to say a sentence with many of the T sound. We're going to do it in 3 steps. On the first step, I'm going to say the sentence very slowly. Then I'm going to do it a little bit faster. And on the last step, I'm going to say the sentence with normal speed. Thẳng, thắn, thật, thà, thường, thua, thiệt. Now a little bit faster. Thẳng thắn, thật thà, thường, thua thiệt. Now with normal speed. Thẳng thắn, thật thà, thường, thua thiệt. Okay, you've done very well. If you want to bring a smile into my face, you can support me by the link in the description. Thank you for watching.